It is good to be back. What is up, guys? My name is Theo. It's been a little bit of time since my last video. I did end up catching a cold and was completely miserable. My nose was super raw and red. My voice got real sexy. No, but in all seriousness, guys, I did look absolutely terrible. I didn't really want to film anything looking like that and have it be on YouTube forever. So I decided to wait it out. But with that said, if you clicked on this video hoping to improve your skills as a photographer or a videographer, I gotta say, by no means am I a professional here to give you some elaborated tutorial on how to improve your skills. But before you click away from this video, I can offer you something here to kind of help improve your skills. Now, I hope to start kind of a learning series here on this channel where I'll take different tutorials from some of my favorite YouTubers and kind of take you guys along with me in the learning process as I go through these different tutorials. What that can do for you guys is kind of give you a different perspective on the whole learning process. You can kind of learn through my experiences and through some of my mistakes, so you guys aren't really starting from scratch. This was kind of a random idea that I came up with just as kind of a way to improve my skills as a photographer and videographer, and hopefully work my way up to taking on clients that will eventually just keep improving my skills. So if learning alongside of me, it sounds like something you guys might be into, then definitely stick around. And I have a lot more videos planned in the very near future as well. A lot of product reviews on some of the gear that I have already. And I'm even thinking about spicing things up and maybe throwing in some tech videos in there as well. I've always been a big fan of tech, and with smartphones and all kinds of other tech getting crazy advanced nowadays, I'd love to give you guys my opinions on them and maybe even giving you some ideas on how we can benefit from them as a photographer/videographer. So if all this sounds great to you guys and you did enjoy this video, hit that like button. It is much appreciated. And if you guys are willing to learn alongside of me with all these different tutorials that I plan on doing, then definitely stick around and hit that subscribe button. Oh, and also hit that notification bell. I guess I'm supposed to say that now. YouTube's getting kind of weird and yeah, I don't know. But I'll see you guys later.